How to fix Chrome push notifications not going away in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Since the notification area is managed by Windows Explorer, restarting this process can refresh the UI and remove any stuck Chrome notifications. Fix 3. Temporarily turn off notifications from Chrome. Disabling Chrome notifications entirely can help identify whether the problem is tied to the browser or Windows itself. Fix 4. Repair system file corruption. System corruption may cause problems with Windows UI components like the Notification Center. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Sometimes hardware acceleration causes UI elements like notifications to render incorrectly. Fix 6. Uninstall Windows Update which caused the problem. One of the options to resolve this problem is uninstalling the latest Windows Update, if that applies to you.